are now in Czech Republic, in Prague, Letňany, where 10 years ago we built this first vertical wind tunnel simulator of freefall, which is operated very successfully for last year and actually operated by the engines of ABB.
I would like to add that they are not just ABB motors. We got here the whole ABB set from transformer, drives, ACS 880 to the aforementioned motors. There are 4 of them in total power of 1.2 megawatts, which enables the freefall simulation.
The installed power allows us to train not only the professional skydivers and military guys, but also the people from the leisure and touristic who can really enjoy some kind of bit of more adrenaline and endorphin. So would you like to try it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Press in.